Hello, welcome back. Today I'm trying to cover some of the getting answers to your questions when you're alone with your computers. For example, researching for a command, what it does, or trying to see what a button does, or things like that. I found that there are like 5 ways to do that. For example, you can always try, let's see what import does, and just try to see. So that's the best. That's the best way of doing things, of learning. I'm always trying to learn by doing things, by trying out. I mean, it's just the software. You've always got undo. You've always got a new project if you want. You always can redo things, and mostly you've got nothing to fear of. The second thing that you can do is the help menu. I really love the Mac help menu because it's so flexible. First of all, when you click on it, you're gonna get the user manual that we are going to talk later, release notes, you're gonna get some support on the web and things like that. But first of all, it's a search menu. So let's see if I'm trying to type in import. I'm going to get a contextual menu that is containing all of my commands that I that are find in the menu bar. So another nice thing that the help menu does, it remembers your search until you click on the empty thing. So like, okay, let's type again and then go here, and let's say that I'm doing a lot of work. The word is still in the search menu, and the findings are here. Another way, a really smart way that you can work with the buttons, the button list actually. You can, usually the button list, what it does, you can drag in buttons and you can customize your layout, you can save your button list, you can save your things like that. You can load, take on other computer and work with things like that. But it's also a highly precious tool when you seek for help. For example, let's say import, and there is going to be a list. Well, sometimes, let's say that for a command, I don't have a correspondent in the menu bar. So let's say that let's see what text does. Well, for things like user text size large or user text size medium, I don't know where you are going to find them on the menu, or if you are going to find them on the menu. But the button list screen, it really helps you seeking things. They say that I have a clue, like in this case with the text. I have a clue that I want to make text in all my windows larger, and I have a clue that Final Cut can do that, or I really don't know if Final Cut can do that, but I want to search to see if it's there or not, or if it is, how it is, what are all the options and things like that. You can always use this. Another way, it's similar way, you can also search for things on keyboard. Let's say customize, and you've got here the list and things that are not in the other button list screen is this keyboard that is going to show you all the shortcuts with their modifiers and all the keyboard combinations. So basically, if I'm looking for text here, I can find the same things, but not for buttons. I can put some shortcuts for them, but also I can see what that does. Another way it's of course using the help user menu. Well, the help user menu, it's a PDF written in the files of the program. So really what you can do to have that also when you don't want to open Final Cut, you can really open the help menu. It's gonna by default on Mac systems, it's going to open on preview. The Mac X10, X stands for 10 actually, preview. But I have set it up to open in Acrobat because I like the search features better, and I can do a little bit more stuff. So always in any program, feel free to use the help files. So you can save a copy of that for your reference if you want to use it again and to know where it is, not embedded in the program files. And of course, the final thing that I have to say about it's searching the internet. Let's say that I want Final Cut import options. Okay, so there it is.